Did you know that Africa is rich but Africans are poor? That modern technologies like your smartphone and EV battery might start in an African mine? These technologies, hailed as the future, rely on minerals extracted from African soil. Yet, the wealth often leaves, while the costs remain. Africa exports raw materials, but the risks stay behind. Communities face unsafe work, pollution, and poverty wages, while finished products are imported back at higher costs. Let's dive deeper. Cobalt is crucial for EV batteries, with the DRC supplying over 70% of the global demand. This ties the world's EV supply chain to Congolese ground, raising economic and ethical challenges. Conditions in cobalt mining villages in the Democratic Republic of Congo, or DRC, are characterized by extreme poverty, severe environmental contamination, and life-threatening labor practices. Child labor risks in cobalt mining highlight the ethical dilemmas. Despite strategic revenues, local communities often see little benefit from this global demand. Coltan columbite tantalite is a dull black metallic ore crucial for extracting tantalum, a heat-resistant metal vital for capacitors in electronics like phones and laptops due to its charge storage ability. However, in eastern Congo, mineral flows are linked to armed groups causing local instability, human rights issues, and environmental damage. Copper is essential for electrification, contributing significantly to Zambia's GDP and exports. It's a national lifeline tied to global demand. Guinea holds about 23% of global bauxite reserves, crucial for aluminum production. Mining dominates exports, making Guinea central to global supply chains. Guinea's bauxite mining villages, particularly around the Bok region, face significant disruption from large-scale extraction, leading to farmland seizure, water pollution, dust contamination, and forced relocations, despite the economic importance of bauxite to the nation. Platinum group metals are key for catalytic converters and hydrogen technologies. South Africa plays a major role in their global supply. Conditions in South African platinum mining villages are marked by deep-seated socioeconomic struggles, including poverty, unemployment, poor housing shacks, overcrowding, inadequate services, water, healthcare, schools, environmental pollution, dust, toxic metals, violence, and a legacy of inequality. Manganese strengthens steel and appears in battery chemistries. South Africa and Gabon are leading producers, crucial for global output. However, the communities around the mining operations become two-tiered, with the mine workers earning good wages while the non-workers live in abject poverty with precarious conditions. Graphite forms the anode in most lithium-ion batteries. Mozambique and Madagascar contribute significantly to global EV scaling. However, the graphite mining villages face significant challenges, including land disposition, unfair compensation, limited local jobs, environmental pollution, air/water, and disrupted access to food, water, and traditional livelihoods. Lithium demand is reshaping African mining policy. Zimbabwe, Africa's top lithium producer, plans to ban lithium concentrate exports starting in 2027, aiming to force more processing and jobs at home. Beyond minerals, Africa exports natural resources found only or overwhelmingly on this continent. They enrich foreign economies through food, medicine, fashion, luxury goods, and tourism, while source communities often see only a fraction of the value. So here's the uncomfortable truth. Global tech progress can depend on places where people have the least power to negotiate its terms. The solution isn't to stop mining, it's to stop exploiting. Safer work, fair revenue sharing, real local processing, and traceable supply chains. The future shouldn't be built on someone else's poverty. Follow for more history and facts behind the world we live in.